One thing I want people to know about integrity selling is that it's a state-of-the-art process that gets results. It's going to be something that impacts their bottom line, and that's number one. Number two, it's a process that they can take into the future. It's a process that will always be good because it's based on basic values and ethics. They're always going to be truth.
I think the best salespeople always knew this, but I think what people are realizing overall is that to sell to people, you have to have integrity.
If you think selling is something where you're out to make a lot of money at the expense of customers, this is not the system for you.
If you follow the process, that it's going to get you the results that you're looking for, the increased sales, the increased revenue, the increased achievement drive, which I think is important, because as you win, as you close more sales, you start feeling good about yourself, and that's kind of a domino effect.
When I thought that selling was pushing something on somebody, I couldn't do it.
The whole integrity selling concept is not how can I make this customer think that I'm doing the right thing. It's how can I do the right thing for this customer.
Selling is identifying and filling needs people have and creating value for them. That's my definition of selling. It's a partnership.
Integrity means, giving value to somebody. It's not something that you do to somebody, it's helping them out.
What I wanted to do was to design a system that was self-leveling and self-customizing, that regardless of where the salesperson is, whether entry level, a very successful level, that they would fit the system and the system would be challenging to them. And then what would the steps in that be? The 8 Incorporated graph emerged, and we look at it and we see a whole selling system, and it explains everything. We see the steps: approach, interview, demonstrate, validate, negotiate, and close. And in the chart we see the percentage of time that each step takes of the whole process. And then we see in each step the percentage of time that I spend talking and the amount that I spend listening. The next thing I want people to know about integrity selling is that it's not necessarily a process of teaching sales skills. It's really a process of building people internally so that they can use the skills that we teach them. If all we did was teach people skills and they did not internally see themselves doing the skills, then they would not do them. And we see that happening all the time in a lot of so-called training activities.
Most training programs are very complex. So you walk out of the training class and you say, that's just too much stuff for me to remember, and you revert back to old habits.
The training to me was different than anything that I had ever gone through before. I think that, it taught me that just to listen to them more, to find out what their needs are, and it's worked very well for me.
Integrity selling is a behavioral process, a one-year curriculum that we train people to conduct in organizations that is designed to bring these 5 dimensions into harmony or congruence. As we bring these dimensions into congruence, sales always go up. Confidence goes up, energy goes up, customer loyalty and customer relationships increase, and a whole lot of things happen as we can do that. So that's one of our major objectives of integrity selling.
If I don't believe in myself, if I don't believe in my company, if I don't believe in my products, if I don't have the right belief in selling, if something's out of whack, I'm not going to be motivated to get up in the morning.
The eloquent simplicity of that concept really drives me day to day, because I tell myself and internalize that idea that I am willing to do those things that everyone else is unwilling, unable, or incapable of doing, as long as they are not unethical, immoral, or illegal.
Anytime you feel like you're more prepared going into anything, it helps. And that's basically what integrity selling did for me on the confidence side of it, is it made me feel more prepared when I went into sales calls. No matter what type of person I was dealing with, I felt like I could get through the situation a lot better.
But once they experienced the class, they recognized, as I do, that it provides value for them as salespeople. It re-emphasized a lot of what they had already learned in various other training classes, but sort of brought it all together in a way that just makes wonderful sense. But it teaches integrity as well, which is such an important part of the selling process, integrity selling, selling with integrity, providing value for your customers.
How many programs are part of your life? This is the only one that I can sit here and say that's a part of my life.
I would say it's very beneficial. especially for your more seasoned salesperson, because we are so used to just doing things as we've done them for so many years that you need to take a step back and learn a little bit. And it really has taught me to just sit back, listen, notice my behavior style, most importantly, and use that information to help gain better relationships and have more closes at the end of the day.